Oh man, the cryptocurrency markets are absolutely exploding right now, and your main objective is to find the best altcoin to buy right now in this sea of plenty of opportunities. As you can see, a lot of these cryptocurrencies are bouncing. The price of Bitcoin is trading at 68,000 US dollars. So the question is, which cryptocurrency are you supposed to be buying right now, today, for a lot of price gains in the next coming 24 to about 72 hours? Well, ladies and gentlemen, worry not, because I got your back. And in today's episode, we are going to be talking about Celestia, and I really believe Celestia is definitely going to do extremely well, and you're going to see this coin pump extremely hard in the next 24 to about 72 hours. So this is officially my trade coin in this particular moment. And if you take a look at the crypto bubbles, right, Celestia is obviously up by about 6.5%, and we have got very strong technical indicators showing us that the price of Celestia is definitely going to outperform a lot of cryptocurrencies, due to the fact that we obviously sort of got rid of our price control area, which is trading right between $5 50 all the way down to around $7. So let me just all the way down to around $4, $3, somewhere there. So this particular area was a very, very important area. So let me get rid of these a lot of these indicators, because you guys are going to get overwhelmed. So let me make the chart pretty clean so that you guys understand exactly what I'm talking about. So Celestia is one cryptocurrency we have been covering on my YouTube channel throughout the downtrend, and a lot of people definitely got frustrated with the price trajectory of Celestia, because we saw it obviously come back down from around $20 all the way down to about $3. So this coin has obviously dumped by a lot. It has dumped more than 70%, meaning there's a lot of bag holders, meaning the price is fair for us to sort of get in and really get our money and basically ride off of people's emotions, because there's going to be a lot of euphoria coming through to the markets once more. So the point of control that I was talking about is obviously these low levels right over here. And if you look at the anchored VWAP right over here, showing us that the overall area that we're supposed to be looking out for is around $6.30. So this level right over here is gonna be a very strong area of resistance, and I really believe right now we are gearing to have a massive breakout as far as $6.30 is concerned. So this level here, let me even use a different color, because I really want you guys to understand the level that we're supposed to be looking out for, especially when it comes to the price of Celestia. So before we talk about this level that is remaining in order for us to have like a parabolic move towards the upside, because I really believe once we break out of this particular trading structure, we are bound to have a massive uptrend, and we could potentially end up going to around $10. So this particular trade, as far as Celestia is concerned, is a very massive trade, because the price of Celestia is obviously definitely going to move from around $6.23 all the way up to around $10.41. So my sell target is gonna be $10.41. So if you take a look at that price difference, right, in this particular trade, we are bound to make a 63 to about 70% price difference. This right over here is definitely going to be my target, and I'm definitely going to be cashing out on that particular trajectory and price action move. So take a look at the next area of resistance and where we are currently trading. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is a very good trade, and this is one of the reasons why I am picking Celestia to be a very good altcoin to sort of purchase in order for us to make that explosive almost 50% to about 70% price move, because we are expecting a very powerful, strong, explosive move as long as we are going to remain bullish. So Why is this particular cryptocurrency a very strong cryptocurrency to really not overlook at this particular moment? Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is because we've had a very strong bounce, and I really believe that the bulls are beginning to take control. So take a look at this trajectory right over here, and this move all the way up to the upside right over here. We had definitely a double bottom right over here, which definitely cements the fact that the bulls are definitely not letting the bears take the price further down. And if you also consider this particular low level right over here, it is very important for us to also get to understand that this level is acting as another strong level of support. So the price is not expected to go below $4.74 anytime soon, and I really believe this particular area is definitely the bottom. So if you take a look at how fair this value is for us, because we are obviously facing a very strong bottom right over here at $3.74, and I really believe this was the bottom. I strongly, definitely believe this was the bottom. So from the bottom to the current price is only about 60%. Okay, so we are early sort of believers, and we are early traders in this particular move who are anticipating a further move towards the upside. Now, a lot of people have been bearish as far as Celestia is concerned, but this is a very grand trading opportunity and moment for us. So all this trading action is proving to us that we are definitely geared up to have another push towards the upside. So when it comes to this particular move, right, we obviously created a higher low. Okay, we created a higher low, and we consistently created higher highs upon higher highs, and this particular correction here really cemented the fact that the price of Celestia has definitely bottomed, and expecting a price to sort of crash beyond this particular low is definitely not in the foreseeable future, or rather foreseeable future. This is one of the reasons why you are seeing the price of Celestia. As you can see, it is pumping in real time, and as you can see right over here, the price is moving. Right now we are trading at $6.26, $6.28, and we are looking forward to hammering and breaking this level of resistance. So this particular red area of resistance, once broken, is really going to sort of be the beginning of a massive uptrend for the price of Celestia, because we have a very strong and high and further away target. You see, the target is eventually going back to the previous all-time high. Okay, so once the price goes to this particular level, let's say for example we end up pushing all the way up right over here, then I'm definitely going to know that in the near future we're going to sort of take out this particular previous all-time high. And if you take a look at the previous all-time high, right, $20, and the current price, who wouldn't take this trade? Who wouldn't take this trade? So I'm trying to see whether the price of Celestia here is changing or not. I don't know what's happening to the price here on CoinGecko, but if you take a look at TIA right over here, it's definitely pumping, and yeah, it shows $6.27 right over here. And right now, as you can see, it is doing well, and it continues pumping because the price keeps on rising. So without further ado, whatever you do with this information, just best believe it's not financial advice. And trading is a very risky endeavor to sort of pursue. So if you're going to do it, you have to know what you're doing. I do have a trading group. I do have a group where we have individuals with massive portfolio that can easily move prices. So if you guys are interested in such type of services, you can always email me. Plus, I also have free tutorials on YouTube on how to make $100 each and every day. So check out the video link right on your screens right now. Learn how to trade properly and learn sort of the right procedures to follow before taking a trade. So this is officially one of the best altcoins to trade right now. So yeah, take a look at my tutorial on how to trade and become a pro and definitely kill the markets right now. check this video out, learn how to trade.